Hello YouTube. In this piano tutorial we're going to learn how to play the piece Michael, Row the Boat Ashore. It's a very famous folk song. I think everybody loves this piece, and we're going to go ahead and go through it slowly so you can see exactly which fingers I'm using and what notes I'm playing. Don't forget, if you're looking for a comprehensive piano course that'll take you all the way from your first notes through advanced techniques and pieces, be sure to check out petersonpianoacademy.com. Let's go ahead and get started.